fuck you doing?
Well, it's been a couple years.
Huh?
It's been a couple years.
Okay. You want to get out of the way? There we go.
Oh shit. Remember that security thing?
That button?
What?
That button?
Yeah.
That you fucking stood over there for like 2 hours trying to find?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't remember where it's at though.
It's like right under your...
Ah!
window.
Found it. Ready?
Yep.
Come on, baby. Yeah, that started in a while. Come on. It's fine. She wanted it. She wanted it! Alright, this next one right here. You ready? Hey, look, there's cobwebs, okay? It's fine. We got this. Here we go. She wanted it.
I hate to be that guy, but are you worried about jumping off the timing or some shit?
What?
Are you worried about like messing with the timing on it?
Why?
Like just continuously cranking it over? Can't that have something to do with messing up timing?
I have no idea. I beat you right into a ditch once.
That was hard to keep my fucking mouth fucking closed.
Oh, don't worry, I zoomed in on you turning away and laughing.
Really? That's awesome. Fucking expert camera skills by this guy here.
I couldn't do this shit.
What?
I cannot do a YouTube channel. I fucking...
It's so good. It's the point is to have fun.
You better make sure you're dope on it, so
It's alright. Even if it fucking, you know, even if nobody watches these videos, these are lasting impressions and memories for fun. And if they do take off, I can hire you as my cameraman. And that'd be sick.
then we both get Z's.
Yes, we would both get Z's.
So maybe just like prime it like 10 times, wait like 5 minutes, come back,
Oh, yeah,
prime it,
double.
and then try to start.
You think so?
Give it some time to click in. Because I bet it's flooded right now, if it's not.
Oh yeah.
Because I mean, after you took... After you waited like a little bit and behind it, it wanted to start, but...
That's all mini cans. Oh, come on, you dirty little bitch. What's up?
Finally happy this thing's running.
Yeah, I'll be more happy when we get all the old shit out of it and she stops smoking on me.
Well, no, I guess it was recorded.
Alright.
Now we don't have to drink it out.
Right. Alright, watch out, Austin.
You're running normal temp.
Nice. Is it already temped up?
I think so. That's what my focus room's at.
Alright.
It's still got more to go. Well, that's what my focus room's at. That's all.
Should I just try to fucking send it through the snow? Or should I,
I mean, it's a Subi, so so.
That's very true, and it'd be a lot of fun getting the video. So yeah.
Are you going this way?
What? I don't think I would like to send it through the snow with the tire the way it is. Like, I'll just send it through this bit. Who's Buick? That's
I'll
yours,
move
right?
those.
Okay. What a great day. Bitch.
You might have to destroy the clutch to get it out of there.
What?
You might gotta destroy the clutch to get it out of there. being so mellow. I'm amped! Yeah, dude, this is great. I can't wait. So also, I didn't really specify on this, but this is the main problem why it's been sitting forever. When I wrecked this car, I knew absolutely nothing about this, anything like this. It's got a nice little positive camera to her. Now that I've learned and you know, have a little more experience dealing with stuff like this, I know how to fix this now. So I'm going to fix it. And before you blame me for not fixing this sooner, like I said, I have not lived here. I was in the Marine Corps when this happened. I had very minimal time in between, you know, times I was back here to really mess with stuff. I tried, but I could not. But here we are now, and dude, she's honestly running really, really good right now. But this is great so far. How'd it look pulling out? Good. See how this works here. Ooh, those rotors. opened her bay. Why? I don't know. Oh, look at all this fucking mud and shit. Oh, like I'm complaining. Alright. Probably. What?
We can just do this and get it up there for now.
The road, the snow. Can't really do shit. Try to leave it like that for now, but it's just gonna drag again. It needs new inner fenders anyway. That was interesting.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
That's okay. Did it hurt yours at all?
I don't know.
Yeah, I gave it a little scratch. It just mainly took his paint off, so you're good.
I didn't even see it there.
That's probably my part. My fault for parking it there.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're fine. Have a good one. Yeah, I would say the tires are flat spotted.